Hi everyone, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY no-sew face masks. Due to the current situation, there's a lack of face masks, especially N95 and surgical masks. The CDC has advised that we make our own masks at home to save those critical supplies for the healthcare and frontline workers, and to also prevent the spread of disease. Before I get into the video, I want to mention that this is not a substitute for medical advice, and these masks were not tested in a lab, but something is better than nothing. In the description box below, you'll find the link to the CDC's website, where you'll find all the guidelines on making these masks and why we should use them. So keep watching to see how I make these DIY no-sew face masks. They noted that these homemade masks should fit snug on the face, include multiple layers of fabric, allow for breathing without restriction, and they must be able to be machine washed and dried without damage or change to shape.
Let's say it's a bed we all know is on fire. Pharaohs spin our heads, but no one.
I'm starting off with a few items that I already have at home. There are many options for you to choose from, so you choose whatever is available to you. You actually don't need to go to the store to pick up anything. I have paper towels, some hair ties, an old t-shirt, a pillowcase, a scarf, and a kitchen towel. A coffee filter can also be used. First, I'll start with the scarf. Fold it in half and then do 2 folds, one from the bottom and one from the top. Use the hair ties or rubber bands and place them on both sides. Then tuck one end into the other and the face mask is ready. If you pull on both ends, it might feel a bit slack, but once it goes onto your face, it fits nice and snug. Now here's where I attempted it with the pillowcase, but it was just too bulky. Make sure you use a standard pillowcase. Mine is a queen size, so it was a bit bulky and I couldn't breathe while I had it on. Same thing happened with the kitchen towel. It was a bit too much for my face. I recommend using a thinner kitchen towel, and you can even use a new dish rag, a wash rag, or even a bandana. Now I'm testing it with another scarf. You see how easy it is?
Till the break of dawn. How long till it days? How long till it...
Do the same method with the paper towel. You'll see how easy it is to make. If you have the materials, make some for you and your family. Here I'm trying to make the paper towel into the tri-fold surgical mask. Now I'm cutting my old t-shirt and trying out the technique that was shown on the CDC's website. The link is in the description box if you want to check it out.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future.
Wear your mask to the grocery store or even when you're doing essential errands. Remember, it's best if you stay at home, but if you need to venture out for groceries or medication, ensure that you wear the mask and you practice social distancing. The CDC advises that we all wear these simple cloth masks to slow the spread of the virus. There are people who are positive but show no signs, so they can easily spread it to others without knowing. Don't use these masks on anyone under 2 years old or someone who is unconscious or incapacitated. When removing the mask, ensure that your hand doesn't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Make sure you wash the masks after each use. However, the paper towel masks are disposable. I hope the video was helpful. Remember that this is not a substitute for medical advice. Please visit cdc.gov for more information. The link is in the description box below. I want to shout out all the amazing healthcare and frontline workers. I salute you. Thank you for all that you do. If you have the materials at home, please make some masks and donate it. Together, we can slow the spread of this disease. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know if you're gonna make your own masks at home. Leave me all your comments below and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe and healthy. Until next time. Bye!